Hi, and welcome to Number Analytics tutorial. This is Julia, and today I'm gonna introduce how to use Number Analytics while you're doing a one-sample t-test. First, go to the Number Analytics website. As you can see, you can analyze your data on our Number Analytics website without installing any programs. For today's tutorial, we're gonna use the San Francisco Airport satisfaction data in the years 2018 and 2017 as our example. Find the Statistics section under the black banner at the top and click One Sample t-test. Now you can see the following screen. Make sure your data has been selected correctly. If you are done selecting your file, please press the Select button. Here we have 3 steps to run the One Sample t-test successfully. First, select your test variable. We will choose satisfaction here because we want to check whether the overall satisfaction in 2018 has been changed from the year 2017. Next, fill in the test value that you want to test. Then choose the cited tests. If you want to check whether the mean of your test variable is different from your test value, then choose two-sided. However, if you want to check whether the mean of your test variable is greater or less than the test value, then choose accordingly. With our SFO 2018 example, we will compare the mean of overall satisfaction between 2018 and 2017. By using the summary statistics with SFO 2017 data, it easily shows that the mean value of the overall satisfaction was 4.064. Therefore, our test value will become 4.064. If you want to check whether the mean of the overall satisfaction in 2018 is different from the one in 2017, we should check two-sided. After you put your value in it, click Run. Let's check out the result. Here at the top, you can get the outcome the Number Analytics has executed for you. As sig value two-tailed is 0, which is much smaller than the alpha, which is 0.05, it means it is obvious to reject the null hypothesis. For your information, the null hypothesis for this example indicates that the mean of the overall satisfaction in 2018 is equal to the one in 2017. Therefore, overall satisfaction in 2018 is very significantly different than 4.064, which is the overall satisfaction in 2017. Also, the table will be given to you for your additional information. Today, we learn how to run one sample t-test using our Number Analytics website. There are more tutorials with various kinds of tests. Please check out for further information. Hope to see you soon.